Welcome to another episode of eThekwini News in 60 Seconds, your weekly roundup of municipal news that matters. eThekwini Municipality Mayor Councillor Cyril Xaba met with over 90 representatives from the tourism industry, businesses and the private sector in an effort to discuss sector development, address existing challenges, promote new programs and gather valuable feedback. eThekwini Municipality Mayor Councillor Cyril Xaba convened a high-level meeting to receive a comprehensive update on Durban Transnet Port Terminal's efforts to restore and strengthen the port's operational capabilities in support of the city's economic growth. 86 determined young entrepreneurs celebrated their graduation, marking the beginning of their business journeys. This flagship program is a strategic partnership between eThekwini Municipality, Asime Women NPC, and the Food and Beverages Manufacturing SETA. That's it for this episode. Catch you next week.